Ikaw, yung heaven talaga ang nagustuhan mo agad.
Yeah, during the house, yeah.
But when she left,
That's when, I realized that, lesson learned because we were inside the house for a very short time, very rushed. So that was my mistake, actually.
when she left, na-divert na yung yung
No,
mata mo
that's-
sa iba?
So you just really focus on the task at hand, really, the house.
Oh.
Because, you barely have a time to really think about those things anymore.
Talaga ba?
Opo.
Charot-charot. Ikaw, Edward agad. O, ikaw.
Enrique po. Enrique. Wala nga po. At parang, ate ba ako? Alangan mo
Ano?
Ate ako po. Tapos,
Ate ang tingin sa'yo ni Edward.
ate ng bahay po.
Ate ng bahay.
Opo.
Ay, ba't di ka nagkatulong dun sa bahay? Ate, makikuha yun.
Oo.